Hello guys, welcome to my screen for this week. This week, I'll be analyzing 5 different pairs, which are Gold Spot USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, Great Britain Pounds USD, and USD CHF. These 5 pairs are pairs that we will be looking to benefit from this week. And currently, I'm on Gold Spot USD, and what's currently happening on Gold Spot USD is pretty simple and straightforward. As I explained last week, I explained after a decent bullish move, we go into a range, and currently we are in a range phase. So what we do at this point is we stay out of this market, we stay out of it. So wait for the price to break out. Okay, either it wants to continue the bullish move or it wants to continue the bearish move. But for now, we don't know what the price will do. All we need to do is sit on our hands and wait for price to decide its next move. So I'll be moving on to AUD USD right about now. Here is AUD USD, guys. As predicted last week, we are expecting price to come create the right shoulder, and price has done exactly what we expected price to do. So, in case you're confused of what's currently happening on AUD USD, it's pretty straightforward and simple. The price has currently created an head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, and last week the price has created the right shoulder, and it has broken out of the neckline. So I will scale down to the 4 hours time frame, just for us to see clearly what is currently happening. This is the neckline right about here, and the neckline has been broken. If you check the last week weekly forecast, you will understand more about what I'm trying to explain here. And for this week to take advantage, in case you missed the last week move, for us to take advantage of what is going on in this week, and this is what we need to do is let's wait for price to test this psychology level, a bounce off this psychology level, then we can take a short position. So within this psychology level, this is 100 pips for you to cash. So I'm just showing you an entry level right about here. Just wait for it to retest this trend line. Let me scale down to the 1 hour time frame. Let me scale down to the 1 hour time frame just to show you, so you can see clearly. So a retest here, so you can sell from this level. Let me bring out my position size class calculator. A 30 pip stop loss right about here, and the next, that is a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So I think this is a decent entry for us. So just wait for a retest on this psychology level, then you can take a short position. That is that for AUD USD for this week. It's just that straightforward and simple. So I'll be moving on to USD card right about now. So guys, this is USD card, and on USD card I'm on the weekly time frame. I just want to show you something real quick. On USD card, I want you to take note of something. After this impulse engulfing candlestick that happened, bearish engulfing candlestick that happened, breaking this what's it called counter trend line, one thing might happen which we need to take note. The price might want to come retest this trend line. Okay, that is the first thing. And the second thing is, let me scale down to the daily time frame. As explained last week, I brought out my field retracement just to know what price is currently doing, if it's currently retracing. So now, as we can see, the price has currently retraced to 78.60, which is a decent level of retracement, which is 61.80 is the current level the price at. So for us to take advantage of this for this week, I will scale down to the 4 hours time frame. So the 4 hours time frame, the price might tend to decide to continue its move, its bearish move, or might decide to go retest this trend line. But there's a decisive zone for us here to work with. This psychology level right about. So let's wait for price. If price retests this psychology level and bounce off, then we can take a position right about here and buy to this level. Okay, this is 50 pips right about here. And if price decides, okay, to break back below this psychology level and retest on this, then we can sell down. We can sell down right about here. So we are using this psychology level as our decisive zone. Okay, as you can see right about here, as you can see, there is a bullish strong momentum right about here. So let's wait. Yeah, that's it. Just let's wait for price to decide. If price wants to retrace here, bounce off, then we can buy up, and this will be our overall target. And if price decides that it just want to complete the retracement and resume the original trend, then we'll be looking for a break below the psychology level and a retest from it, then we can sell. So that is it for USD cash. So I'll be moving on to Great Britain pounds USD. We are on Great Britain pounds USD. So it's pretty straightforward and simple. If you check the previous video in our last week forecast, I did explain a reason behind this move, where the price wants to do a decent retracement before it continues to its original trend. Don't forget, we are on a bullish trend for Great Britain pounds USD. We are on a bullish trend. We are in this zone right about here. So the retracement that is currently happening here, we are expecting price to come back to 61.8 level and test this trend line right about here. So we have two combinations of or two confirmation with two reasons why the price might tend to come back here. This trend line might be tested and before it continues the original move. So for this week, to take advantage of this week, so this is currently what is happening. You see an head and shoulder pattern has been created and a decent retracement has happened. You check my previous video, all these were being explained in my previous video. So just the entry for this week is all I'm explaining to us, so we can have an amazing week ahead of us. This psychology level will be a decent level for us to enter the market. The retest on this psychology level, then we can sell down. Okay, that is an amazing entry. Let me scale down to the 1 hour time frame. So you can see here there is an inefficiency. So the price might tend to fill up this efficiency move, then continue, resume its original trend. So let me bring up my position size calculator right about here. So okay, I think 15 pips is a decent one. 2 pips is a decent one. That is 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Just a decent entry level, then you can continue down to the overall target. So that is that for Great Britain pounds USD. So I'll be moving on to USD CHF. So for USD CHF, let me show you the bigger picture. The bigger picture that is happening here is just an head and shoulder pattern playing right out here. So the right shoulder has been completed and we are expecting the next bullish move. Okay, if you check my TikTok account, all these moves have been documented. Right from this level, I predicted the price is coming back to this level. Okay, it's coming back to this level, but the price did its own and decide to move to go deep. So I predicted from this level down here. So let's focus on taking advantage of this current move. So I am currently on the weekly time frame, and let me show you another big move. You see this reversal pattern currently forming right about here. This is a double bottom right about here. So let me scale down to the 4 hours time frame. Just to take advantage. This is my POI level right about here, and the price has already met the entry criteria. See what the price did. The price came back to take out every liquidity that is around here and closed inside here with bullish engulfing candlestick, which signals we are on the right path. So this is my point of interest right about here. We are expecting price to come back to this level, then so we can take the position right about here. Let me bring up my position size calculator. So right about here to this high here. Okay, that is 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio. So I think this is a decent move for us to capitalize on for this week. That is that for USD CHF. So guys, I wish you a profitable week ahead of you. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like. By doing these things, it shows your level of support for this channel and it will help my channel grow more. So once again, I wish you a profitable week ahead of you guys for this week, and I will see you next week. So bye guys.